This is a dough for second part, and first part is ready. And I taste it now. It is fantastic. It is so soft inside and crispy outside. It is amazing. Mamma mia. It's the best cookies I never ate before. It's wonderful, really.